What's up? What's up? This is Don Vito, aka the Digital Don. This is day 3 in Vegas at CES 2026, and I'm about to take you through there because we need to go to this next place. And that's what we're about to do. We're about to hit the Central Hall, and that's where you're about to see all the big brands. I'm talking about smart stuff, that AI glasses, smartphones, and TVs. Let's get it. That's funny. What's up, man? Tell me about this car, man.
We are a new brand in China. We got Navistar Motor here. We are a new brand of hybrid car. We call it range extender electronic vehicle. So we have the engine. We use the engine to charge the battery. And then we use the electronic motor to drive this car. We will sell this car as this year Q2 in the Middle East market. But later, maybe 2 years later, we come to the US.
Oh, okay. What colors does it come in?
Yeah, maybe we have 5 or 6 colors outside and 3 or 4 colors inside.
Okay. Can I look inside? Golly, that's luxury.
Real Napa leather.
Yeah. It's comfortable too. Wow. That's crazy. Okay. How many miles does it get on the charge?
About full charge full oil, about 715 miles total.
715 miles?
Full oil, full charge.
Wow.
Is this cool?
That's way more than cool. Like, it looks so comfortable and it rides real good. The suspension on it is crazy, right?
Yeah. It's a real off-road car.
Look at that gold, man. The gold trimming. That's attention to detail right there. Wow. And this is one of 999.
Yeah, the first edition will be limited, but later we'll sell.
I want to get one now.
1 million.
how much does it sell for in the
Middle East?
Yeah.
Maybe about $50,000.
Okay. 50,000? Jesus Christ.
And we use golden here, golden color.
Mm-hmm. This is nice. I like this a lot. So Navi does, you do Segways, and can I demo one?
Yeah, you can demo.
I like this gold one.
Yeah.
This is brake.
Yes.
And then this is
Yeah, I got 2 brakes.
2 brakes.
Yeah. Front, rear.
And this is accelerate right here.
Well, yeah, it's
Ooh.
You guys, yeah.
Oh.
That's it. You almost get that.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's it. I'm good.
Alright.
I'm good, man.
Yeah.
It's for sale now
Yeah.
in US?
Mm-hmm.
How much?
25 grand. I'll try not 25 grand. 2500.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And this is called the Ultra, the Ultra X.
Ultra X. Yeah. UT5 Ultra X.
I really like this thing. It's different. So is this faster than that Ultra? Than that Segway? No? How many miles does that get?
Like this one, the range would be much better. Like around like 70.
And how much is that one?
3,000. That one's real.
But that's a motorcycle, right?
Yeah, that's also a bike. Yeah.
What you mean it's a
dirt
bike?
Dirt bike.
Dirt bike.
Yes.
Wow.
Look at that. Oh,
That's hard. Somebody told me to come over here to this special hall. This is the North Hall. And they was like, hey man, they got a bunch of robots. And I was like, well, do they got the bikes and the e-bikes? Because I was looking for the specific e-bike, but I didn't expect the world of e-bikes. You know what I'm saying? So look at these e-bikes. I think these are bikes and e-bikes, but they fire. You know what I'm saying? Like I can see my son in this right here. Look how high this one sits. This is like a go-kart. You know what I'm saying? I don't think my son will be ready for this right now. I don't think Lando will be ready for this right now, but one day he will be. Hey, what's up? I want to talk to you about these bikes right here. So are they all the same bike or like they different models of the bike?
Oh, we have 2 versions. It's the regular one and the Pro one. The difference is the security. We have the 4G, GPS, and the Find My. on our Pro one, but the regular one just has the Bluetooth and Find My. And another difference is like the range per hour.
This has 50 miles per hour?
No, 50 range.
50 miles range.
Yeah, range. And this one is 70.
70 miles range.
Yes.
The design is amazing. It's sleek
you.
and futuristic. I
That's
think it's
awesome.
amazing. Like, and so for single charge, how far can it get on a single charge?
7 hours and 6 hours.
To charge it?
Yeah,
But
to
how
charge
many
it.
miles can it go on a charge?
50, 70 miles.
50, 70 miles an hour?
Per charge.
And then the difference between this is the technology on this one is different than the technology on this one?
Yeah.
And so this has Bluetooth and this doesn't?
GPS,
GPS?
4G, yeah, that's the difference.
Is it for sale now?
$21.99.
$2,199.
Yeah, and that one is $1,599 for retail.
Really? Can I sit on it, right?
Sure. I can hold it.
And you say you have an app?
Yeah, we have app to for navigation on the screen. Yeah.
Really?
With our app, you will see the maps here.
Now let me ask you this question. Here's
Yeah.
the pending question. Do I have to get a special license to drive this on the streets?
No, no
Really?
need.
Because it's considered a e-bike,
Yeah.
not a motorcycle.
Yeah, because the speed just 28 miles per hour because the regulation for e-bike is 28. No license for e-bike. That's why.
Because the regulation is 28 miles an hour. But
Yes.
if anything over that,
Yeah.
then you have to have.
License.
Okay, and then so what's the maintenance like on here? Is because it doesn't need oil. It's
a case
electric.
for your mobile phone.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
You can charge your phone here.
Really? I would imagine this turns a regular bike into an e-bike.
It is. So you pretty much get what you see, right? If it's universal bike, any bike with the attachment will be converted to an e-bike. So there's a motor inside that spins our wheel, and then our wheel has a rigid connection with the rear bike wheel, right? And then it will give it a spin, and then once you pedal, it also gives you a boost.
How do you stop this from going? Like, what's the?
You stop just like you stop a bike.
Let me break it.
Okay, just break it firmly hard. So it's stop immediately and with the flashlight on.
I would be purchasing this motor and this attachment right here, right?
Yes.
Look at that.
That's why I can only eat sandwich, not buffet.
Wow. I don't need a wheelchair, but this wheelchair is special because it goes up and down the stairs on its own. So I really think that's damn cool, and that's all I'm looking forward to. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to try this wheelchair out, take it for a spin. What's your name?
Vincent.
Vincent?
Yeah.
All right, so tell me a little bit about the product before I try it.
Yeah, this is our Extos, the latest electric mobility wheelchair, robotic actually. And we developed it for over 6 years. And it will be launched this year, April. Yeah.
How much is it going to sell for?
We don't have the price yet because it's a totally new model and we didn't launch it officially. Yeah.
How fast does it go?
The fastest speed is 12 kilometers per hour, and the capacity of it is like 300 pounds.
Okay, and so does it need charging?
Yes. It is a lithium battery and you need to charge. Every charging is it takes like 3 hours and it can go 35 kilometers.
Okay, and how long does it last on a single charge?
Like 3 hours.
3 hours?
Yeah, 3 hours. 3 to 4 hours.
So I would have to charge it up or have an extra battery.
Yes. Yeah.
Seems like I would have to have an extra battery and let that other one charge up.
Yeah, you can prepare extra batteries.
Especially if I need it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up the stairs.
Automatically. So you're very stable.
This is crazy. And then switch it to driving mode as well.
Switch to driving mode so you can drive the train smoothly.
And you know what to make this even like to improve this? A camera. A rear view.
A reverse camera.
Reverse camera. Woo! The ride is smooth too. It's like it's got a really
Because
smooth.
we have a self-balance function.
So
So even if we have a self-balance function, so even if you are climbing some ramp or some bump, you will always keep the balance level. You will level yourself.
You just got to know how to steer. What the fuck is? What the fuck is that? What is that?
Yeah, it's a good thing with 2 wheels.
It's an electric bike? It is? One second, I'm coming right back. I'm coming right back. What the fuck is that? This cannot be an e-bike.
Yeah, that's an e-bike. That is a hub wheel engine with 400 Newton meters. That is a full carbon monocoque, as you know it from Formula One. This is like a walnut system. So you have the outer shell, and inside is the battery. Inside is our BMS, ECU, and so on, all the technology. And all the body is in full carbon.
How do you pedal?
You don't need to pedal as a motorcycle.
It's a motorcycle,
Yeah.
not an e-bike.
Not an e-bike.
Oh, okay.
But we call it not an e-bike, we call it light bike. Because it combines advantages of e-bikes, scooters, and motorcycles.
What's top speed?
130 kilometers per hour. So 83 miles around.
So you need a license to drive this.
Yeah. In
Can
Germany
I stand up top?
Yes,
sit
of
on?
course, too. So in Italy, Spain, France, for example, in most
This
countries.
is gangster, man.
Yeah, that is. You just need a car license. And it's extremely easy.
Oh, that's all you need is a car license, not a motorcycle license?
In most countries.
Can you turn it on?
Yeah.
Let me see what it look like.
You can turn it on with the iPhone. Then it activates. That is our Ironheart, inspired by Iron Man. And then just push the button and it wakens up. And then you can change the driving modes, the base, so max comfort, max fun, max safety, or the most sustainable way. And
What's the range?
wait,
Ooh,
130, my friend.
130 miles?
No, kilometers. So
What does that equal in
83, I think.
83? But
Yeah.
I'm saying, like, how far can it go?
100 to 150 kilometers. So it's also around 80. The average is 80 miles.
How much is it? You're asking for.
So in Europe, it's including tax, 25 to 29,000 euros. It will be around 25, $30,000. And then you take your iPhone and integrate it in the user interface. And then you mirror all the relevant informations onto the iPhone. Because everybody has the latest iPhone. We integrate the iPhone in the user interface, and that is your portable friend. That is your bike in your pocket.
And what is this piece for?
That is for holding the iPhone.
Is it?
So that is the connector. And then we can also wirelessly charge. Oh, there you need an SP Connect.
Oh, okay.
So that is the brand SP Connect. Those are partners of us. And then you can wirelessly charge your phone during your ride. And here for the hole, we have a bag. So we can put a bag into the hole and make it functional. But we can also hold here the helmet. So there will be a magnetic safe. It's not yet there, but we have a magnetic safe that you can save your helmet on the bike.
All right, so listen, we have wrapped up day 3, the final day at CES 2026 here in Vegas. And man, I must say, I am blown away. I had so much fun. I learned so much stuff. I experienced so much. And look, I cannot wait to share with you guys what's to come, what you can expect to see. And now it's time to say goodbye to all my family. DON, VIT. Oh, now come with me. That's right. It's over. It's a wrap. Damn. I hate to leave, but I gotta go. Goodbye.